Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the Math.tan function. So what it does, it returns you the tangent of a number, or you can say the parameter we pass. So what we need to do is, we need to create a function, because if I do directly it would be so much fun. So function, give a name call get tan, something like from degrees, something like that, deg from degrees, and we will pass the parameter degrees. This is not the spelling of degrees. Yeah, now it's okay. Now what we need to do is return, when this function call return math. First we use the math object dot tan of the degrees, the parameter, and we will use the another math object called math dot pi, which value is value of pi. And after that, what we need to do is, after we return that, if we log it on a console, what the heck, log it on a console and use the function get tan from degree, and inside that we will pass a degree, like 0 degree, it will be 0. That's not so much fun. How about 45 degrees? So it's gonna give you 0.999, and you can also do like 30, it will give you 0.57. So hope you guys understand this is what it does. So that's it for today's video guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.